Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian banana bread. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your loaf pan. Now, let's get mixing. Start by mashing your 3 or 4 ripe bananas in a large bowl until they are mostly smooth, with just a few small lumps remaining for texture. Next, stir in the 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, whisk together the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the dry ingredient mixture into the bowl with your wet ingredients. Using a spatula, gently fold the ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough banana bread. Once mixed, pour the batter evenly into your greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake in your preheated oven for about 50 to 65 minutes. Almost ready to enjoy? Once your banana bread is baked to a beautiful golden brown, remove it from the oven. Let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps the bread set and makes it easier to remove. After 10 minutes, carefully invert the loaf onto a wire rack to cool completely. Slicing it too soon can make it crumbly. Enjoy your homemade vegetarian banana bread with a cup of coffee or tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.